This quick tutorial video will guide you through everything you need to know about the WAVE 3. Let's get started. Here's a quick unboxing to show you exactly what's inside the package. You'll find the exhaust duct adapter covers, insulated exhaust ducts, drain pipe, winder, duct size template, AC charging cable, and the manuals and warranty card. You can scan the QR code on the quick guide cover to view or download the full user manual. Now let's take a look at the WAVE 3 add-on battery. Before starting, there are a few important things to note. For optimal performance, keep the product in a fixed position for 2 hours before initial use. Avoid tilting it beyond 15 degrees. Ensure the distance between the air inlet, outlet, and the wall is at least 0.5 meters. First, align the WAVE 3 with the markings on the top of the battery, then place it down. Push it forward until you hear a click sound to complete the assembly. Next, plug in the EcoFlow WAVE 3 add-on battery cable. To turn on both units simultaneously, long press the power button on either the WAVE 3 or the battery. To disassemble, press the unlock button and push the WAVE 3 forward to remove it. You can power the WAVE 3 using the provided AC charging cable plugged into a wall outlet. Just long press the power button to turn it on. This is the main control panel, which includes control buttons for major features, along with a display screen to show the operating status. After powering on, press the function button once to switch between auto, cooling, heating, fan, or dehumidification modes. Press the mode button once to switch between max, sleep, and eco modes. You can access additional features in the EcoFlow app, like pet care mode. To adjust the temperature, press the temperature plus minus button once. You can also long press it for quick adjustments. This works for humidity adjustments in dehumidification mode as well. To switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press and hold function button for 3 seconds. The fan button is on the right side of the panel. Press the plus or minus button once to adjust the fan speed, 1 to 5 levels. Here's the drainage button. Before draining, connect the provided drain pipe. Whenever you need to move the product or for long-term storage, long press the drainage button for thorough drainage. The drainage icon will stop blinking once the water tank is completely empty. Please note that the WAVE 3 will stop operating when the water tank is full, and the water level icon will begin flashing. Drainage is required at this point. The winder helps you store the AC charging cable. To use it, open the dust plug, pinch the winder, and insert it into the slot. Then wrap the cable around the winder. When using indoors or in a car, install the rear air inlet and outlet components to expel exhaust. Align with the rear air inlet filter, insert the clasp, and push down until you hear a click. Then align the exhaust duct with the markings, snap it in place, and rotate it clockwise. Align the edge of the rear air outlet, insert the clasp, and press it down. Repeat the same steps, snap it into place and rotate clockwise. For outdoor use, install the front air inlet and outlet components. Start by installing adapter cover A, which can be used for both the front and rear air inlets. Align it with the markings on the exhaust duct, snap it into place, and rotate it clockwise. Next, align the edge of the front air outlet, insert the clasp and press it down. Repeat the same steps. Snap it in place and rotate. This setup demonstrates the standard air circulation method. In a limited space, you can temporarily remove the air inlet component and continue using the air conditioner. However, this may impact the cooling and heating performance. When using the WAVE3 in a car, make sure to pay extra attention to exhaust ventilation. You can easily DIY a vent board for the car window. Materials needed: foam board or any easy-to-cut material that fits your car window, marker, knife, white adhesive tape. Use the provided duct size template. Use the marker to outline the shape of the exhaust ducts on the foam board. Cut along the edges, then insert the exhaust ducts into the foam board. Use the universal AC port or the XT150DC extra battery port to power the WAVE3. Charging options supported by the XT60 port include solar charging up to 400 watts, or use the EcoFlow car charging cable to connect to your car's cigarette lighter. For bidirectional charging, connect to the EcoFlow alternator charger, which allows both charging and discharging with your car battery. Before use, connect the drain pipe. The WAVE3 generates condensation during operation. If the water tank reaches full capacity, it may automatically shut down, and the real-time water level will be displayed on the screen. And turn on the drainage function by pressing the drainage button once. Caution: always long press the drainage button before moving the product to empty any accumulated water. To clean, push up the clasp at the bottom of the filter to remove it. Wipe off the dust with a damp cloth and allow it to dry. When reinstalling, insert the top clasp and push it down to secure it.